Hello friends, today we are going to Portobello Road Market. For that you have to take Hammersmith City line to the Ladbroke Grove station. From this station it is like 5 minutes walk. While walking you can see the left side some parks, some cake shops are there. So here is the Portobello Road. It is the one of the most famous street markets in the world and is the home to the one of the UK's most diverse communities. You can see this the Happy Donut shops is a very delicious donuts you can have there. You can see the colorful houses in Notting Hill. Notting Hill is known as an influencer hotspot for its colorful houses and streets, and the people come here to click the picture and enjoy the views. If street food's not your thing or your feet hurts from walking and you fancy more of sit down affair, then Portobello Road is also full of whole load restaurants, bars and pubs. I will tell you the opening times for the Portobello Road Market. Like Monday to Wednesday, the fruits, vegetables are specially fresh and it's a lot. You can enjoy the shopping. If you want the new goods, you have to visit the market on Thursday. And if you want the antique stalls like the fashion market, you should go on Friday. The market stalls stretch for a mile all the way down Portobello Road and round corner into the Goulburn Road. Especially Saturday is the main day. You can have all the things you can enjoy, but the Sunday market will be closed. This the west sides of the London is the most famous for having one of the world's largest antique things. The left side there is the stall for the vintage clothing. This is the one of my favorite stall. First time I had there the mushroom tacos and the toppings and the spicy is like accordingly to us. I really enjoy the food. Like the man is making so delicious, whenever you will go there you can have the mushroom spicy tacos on the top of the avocado and the cheese. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Again you can find there the organic mushrooms, all the type of mushrooms were there. You can see the winter clothes, leather jackets, again some the daily wear clothes. It's all clothes. It's like just 20 pounds, 10 pounds, 5 pounds. It's really worth it. Portobello Road and the Goulburn Road, the food stalls have the huge choice of fresh fruits, vegetables and herbs from Monday to Saturday. Antique car, antique wheel, antique stuff. Obviously, it's antique market. At the end, I found every type of collectible from stamps, jewelry, furniture, vintage clothing, fresh produce, delicious street food and freshly baked goods. So don't forget to go at the Portobello street market. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.